Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 28th, 2021. Could you believe that we haven't done a price prediction in metamaterials in about 3 to 4 months? Could you imagine that? Like, look at this. Look at our last price prediction that we did in metamaterials. Look at this. July the 8th was the last time we did our price prediction in metamaterials. You guys can see what has happened since then. So let me come in today and give y'all an update as to what I'm seeing on the price chart in metamaterials. So keep it locked in here. Hit that like button. Share the video and also subscribe to the channel. We want to see if this market is ready or being primed for a big breakout. We're going to try to answer that question on this video simply by looking at the price chart. Nothing else. No technical indicators, no fundamental analysis, nothing promising news, nothing of that nature. We just look at what people are trying to do and we get in position and win. All right. So you guys can clearly tell back in July, we played a weakness. We did that. The market in metamaterials, even if we were to get out right now, is still 22% profitability, right? Market dipped all the way down to metamaterials at $3. That would have been about 47% profitability back here during the month of August, right? That's done. That's old news. Let's try to get in position and win again. How about that? Let's do it. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay. And let's see what's been going on into the market in metamaterials. Like, the market's not in an upward trend. Okay. Let me show you why, because the charts don't lie. So the market in metamaterials back in July, we was expecting it to try to hold this ascending line, right? We was expecting it to try to hold it, right? Look at it. And back here in July, mid-July, the price broke that ascending line. Cool. We appreciate the market giving us this information because it's not a lie. It's the actual truth. Once the market in metamaterials broke that ascending line, we should have no longer been thinking that the price was going to go up. In fact, we should be thinking the opposite, that the market in metamaterials is going to go down the moment that we broke that ascending line. And then we came back up, right? Look at this. The price in metamaterials came back up in the beginning of September to try to break back up above this ascending line. And look, the charts don't lie. We got rejected right alongside this ascending line and price came back down. So we are not in a trend, right? We're not in an upward trend in metamaterials right now. So it simply means that outside of us going up, either we're going to continue to go down or we're going to consolidate. So let me give you the consolidational range of metamaterials then, since we're not in an upward trend. So now let's take this horizontal line here and let's see where support is, because support into the market in metamaterials is right there around $3. This is where the market support in metamaterial currently lies. Okay, that is that. And this is where restriction is in metamaterials. Right around here. Okay. How about that? So this is where the majority of the trading has occurred in the market in metamaterials since the beginning of the year. This is where the majority of all the price action is being taken. All the transactions. So we're expecting the market to pretty much give us this until we're ready to either break out, right, or break down. We're going to expect us to trade within these two lines until either or happens. All right. So let's see where we're going to go though within these two lines. We need to try to figure that out. So let's do this real quick. Okay. Are we going to go down towards support or are we going to go up towards restriction? Let's try to figure that out because the answers is on the chart already. Just got to learn how to read it. So let's look at this on the 3-day time frame then. So this is metamaterials on the 3-day time frame. Now I'm gonna zoom in and there's a couple of spots that we still need to focus in on, even though we're looking for the market in metamaterials to consolidate. This is the problem that I'm already seeing right here. Okay. Which is around $4.90. All right. I'm telling you this now. That's the problem. Why is this the problem? It's because back here during this time frame, the market in metamaterial was holding it as support, and recently over the last 2-3 day price bars, we broke $4.90 to the downside. We don't like that. If we were looking for the price to go up, price in metamaterials would have kept price above $4.90. But instead, we broke that to the downside, right? So again, it's telling us all the information we need. As long as price in metamaterial trades below $4.90, let's say $5, we're not expecting the market to move up here to restriction of 650. We're not looking for that then, okay? Now let's say today the price in metamaterial trades back up above $4.90 to $5, then yes, us going to $6 is back on the table. But if we don't, we're going down here. Okay, the market has already determined that based off of its inability to continue to trade above $4.90, just like it did here. All right, so that gives us a lot of information right there alone. So currently, this is the last 3-day price bar right here completed. So we even had the opportunity on this 3-day price bar, which started October the 20th, to see the market go up, but instead we went down. That's still weakness. So even here, the market in metamaterials is still showing us weakness. Okay. So now, am I telling you that it's massively bearish, that we're going to see the price plummet? Not at all. But we can still see price dip. Okay. So we need to figure out where is going to be support. Now we got earnings coming up. Okay. November the 11th. Keep that in mind. This is the closest area that we're going to see the market hold support in metamaterials, which is right here around $4. Okay. That's the first spot. So I'm going to play the weakness in the market in metamaterials. I know you probably want to hear that, but it is what it is. You cannot change what the market is going to do. Only thing we can do is make sure that we are already in position to win, or at best, get out the way. That's the first spot. Okay, right here. $4. Outside of $4, where else can we go? Well, $3. Right, we already saw that. Well, not, we're gonna say $3 right here, $3.45. So we got $4. Next area is $3.40. Third area is $3. All right. Now, again, that's not detrimental. That's not terrible news, because we're still expecting the market in metamaterials to trade in this trading channel, right? We're just simply stating that the market in metamaterial doesn't look like it wants to go up towards $6 yet. We got to see the market come down and give us a basis of support. Okay, so let me clean this up. Now, I've shown you 3 areas for us to see the market in metamaterials come towards. First one, which is the best outcome for us to get, is for us to see the market come down to $4 and we grab strength, and then we start to come back up. So we need to eat off the market right there at $4. That's about 8 3/4% market move to the downside. We need to be prepared to eat there, right? And not become greedy. Next spot, $3.35. That's about 23% market move to the downside in metamaterials. And then no lower than $3, right? It's about 31%. So I'm playing the weakness into the market in metamaterials, especially as long as the market is not able to trade above $5. So let me switch this over to the daily so we can run the play. And we have $5 as restriction, right? But I'm going to bring it up just a tad higher. So like $5.40 in meta. Now, this is it right here, okay? So I'm not extremely bearish, but I'm playing in weakness. You know, I'm still looking for the market to give me a small dip in price before earnings. And as we approach earnings, then the market will kind of subside, trade sideways for a while. And then once the news play out, that's when the trap is going to play on the market and give us to fall in position so that he can make all the money, right? So we need to be in position way before then so that we can beat him. So hit me up. Let me know your price prediction into the market in metamaterials. Still playing a little bit of weakness, not extremely weak, but I mean, it is what it is. Now, if you're looking for the market in metamaterials to break out, that's cool too. Just hit me up. Leave me your price prediction in the comment section. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.